The Amazon Smart Thermostat offers smart temperature control with Alexa integration, remote access, and customizable schedules. It helps improve home comfort and energy efficiency with simple automated climate management. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Amazon Smart Thermostat, cosmetic plate, mounting plate, installation tool, screws with anchors, wire labeling stickers, and user manual. Product overview. Installation. First, turn off power to your existing HVAC system for safety. Remove the old thermostat cover and take a clear picture of the existing wire connections before disconnecting anything. Label each wire according to its terminal: G for fan, Y for air conditioning, R for power, W for heat, and C for common. Remove the existing wires and thermostat backplate with a screwdriver, then install the Amazon Smart Thermostat wall plate and terminal block. Connect the labeled wires to the matching terminals on the Amazon Smart Thermostat, ensuring each is securely fastened. For a standard HVAC system with heating and cooling, connect the G, Y, R, W, and C wires to their correct terminals. Carefully route the wires behind the thermostat, then attach the thermostat display by aligning the pins and ensuring the arrow points upward. Finally, turn the power back on and complete setup in the Alexa app. How to pair. Open the Amazon Alexa app and sign in. Go to Devices, tap the plus icon, select Add Device, and choose Thermostat. Select Amazon Smart Thermostat, confirm installation, and turn the HVAC power back on to activate the display. Enable Bluetooth, camera, and location access, then scan the QR code to connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi. Select the thermostat location, connected terminals, Y, W, G, C, and R wires, and confirm your HVAC system type. Complete the guided system test, choose your preferred control method, and set home, away, and sleep temperatures. Once setup is finished, control the thermostat through the Alexa app or the device, adjust temperature settings, switch modes, and manage schedules. LED colors. Smart features? Control your home temperature hands-free using Alexa voice commands through compatible Alexa-enabled devices. Easily adjust heating and cooling settings without manually operating the thermostat. Adjust your home temperature from anywhere using the Alexa app on your smartphone. Easily change heating and cooling settings remotely for better comfort and convenience. Create customized heating and cooling schedules based on your daily routine and preferences. Automatically maintain comfortable temperatures while helping manage energy usage efficiently. Automatically adjusts heating and cooling settings based on your selected preferences and daily routine. Helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature with smart home, away, and sleep settings. Designed to work with compatible heating and cooling systems for a simple installation process, the Alexa app provides guided setup to help configure the thermostat and connect your HVAC system. Specifications. FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazon Smart Thermostat. See you at the next one.